up, player?
Hi. So we just wanted to give you guys an update on a car that we're not, I don't know. We don't have a name for it yet. Josh does. I'm not gonna say it. He calls this car Baby Shark. Baby Shark.
Baby Shark.
Baby Shark. It's got hard pack.
It's got a hard pack in the yard.
So, I don't know. Me and CJ just been busting.
Yep. We
He's
got
busting down, man.
Got the headlights done. Rewrapped the top of them. Did some tintage. Did the clear corner lights.
Smoke corners. We got the lip front bumper on.
Yeah. Rear valances are on.
Yeah,
We didn't put the side skirts on yet because we're gonna have it on the dyno. We're gonna have it back on the lift because we got to swap out wheels and stuff. But it's pretty much there.
Yep.
Somewhat.
Run a drive-in. All the gauges work.
Finally.
Figured that out.
Yeah. So this car. It's been an irritating ride this afternoon, but I figured
just a precursor. CJ hates wiring. Like hates it.
Well, because I don't hate it because I hate it because I don't really know it. That's the thing. I know the basics, this and that, but I don't understand wiring for certain things.
It's got a power wire and a ground wire, and when you connect them, they go.
And it's like a circuit. It's a circle.
So that's the sound it makes.
But yeah, so GTR guys, if you know, there's 4 bolts that are down here to hold the boot in for your shifter. There was some grounds that were bolted on down there, and I traced back the wiring because this is the box for the gauges, and it's got DC source on the side of the box, and DC source is your power and everything to control all of that. So I traced back that harness and found out it's back in here connected to some other stuff. I had power, I had the constant and all that, and my ground wasn't really there. So I traced it back and found the ground that was connected to this 10mm, and I had nothing. So I picked it up, brought it 4 inches over to where there's some other grounds, popped it on, and now I got gauges.
Ta-da!
But yeah, I found that out after I had everything torn apart.
Yeah, I mean, there was like probably 10 feet of extra wire. Yeah. Well, 10 feet, but times 50 because there was like multiple. There was a lot of wires that just got taken out of this thing. So, just useless stuff. The transportation card and weird lights and stuff like that.
Well, it had stuff plugged into the radio for like GPS and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Can't use that here in America, so ditched it. Because all those lines that ran into the radio were different sensors on the window, and it was just a whole bunch of cluster up top of your windshield. So we went ahead and got rid of all that. But she works.
Yeah.
She runs. She's back together. Just got to do some buttoning up here and there, and she's good to go.
Yeah. So we test fitted the wheels yesterday too. They are very, very, very period correct. Let's just put it that way. We kind of had a little dispute going on in the shop, but it's period correct. So it's gonna be cool.
All right, guys. Monday morning meeting, and we got a big box in. I don't know what it is.
Exciting box. I know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is. Here. This.
Oh, okay. Focus. Focus.
Somebody grab some knives.
Oh my God.
The ultimate unboxing.
This really is the ultimate unboxing, I would say. Oh man. Oh, what's up, Donnie?
Donnie?
You just pop out of nowhere.
I thought you were out.
Donnie in the house.
No, I leave at 3 o'clock in the morning.
You want to take all this stuff out?
Oh boy.
Careful with it.
Going towards you, Tevin.
Are we gonna lay this all out?
Yeah, we need to look at it all.
Make sure it's not jacked up.
I mean, I would say this piece we definitely need to unwrap just because it's on the side with where the box is messed up.
That's light.
seems alright. Don't feel any broken pieces or anything.
What was this kit? Like 8 grand?
11.
$10,000.
Whoa.
Yeah. I mean, really, everything costs like over 11 grand.
That's nuts. But you got a full kit. You don't need anything.
Yeah, I mean, this is
And it fits hopefully perfectly. I would
rear
say.
over fenders, front fenders, side skirts, rear bumper, front bumper.
Awesome.
Let's just hope you don't need bubble wrap for a while now.
Oh yeah. I'm good.
Hey, bubble wrap is expensive, we said, so there's at least $500 worth of bubble wrap.
Oh, we got plenty. We got plenty. Yeah, I won't need any for a while. Oh, it's carbon fiber? Oh. Oh, okay. Well, that adds to the price, of course.
Carbon fiber right here, and it's like the
The lower lip
underside
piece.
splitter of the sides.
Nice.
Dry carbon, baby.
Dry. It looks pretty good. No cracks.
Yeah, this looks good. Let's check the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. Nice.
It's got actual spots to like attach to your front, like bolt it to it.
Hey! See, this is carbon fiber too.
Dope. Super cool, man.
These are the underskirts, if you will.
You know, man.
Hey!
What's up?
Keep it like that, or you're gonna paint it?
Man.
This is gonna be like this, but the rest of it's gonna be. Is there a film on it?
Yeah, I mean, look, this goes up the
That's the full
C-pillar.
piece. It's gonna hurt y'all's hearts to cut up that car. Just saying.
I know.
It would hurt me
It's
just
like
to cut
a
that.
perfect quartered
Yeah, I know.
car. It's not rusty.
Yeah, but that type of car, like this isn't just
I
a
know, I
cheap car.
can't
This
wait,
is the
man.
R32.
We'll sick Josh with the grinder. The angle, the cutter.
Yeah, get in there, man.
Cut some expensive stuff out.
Josh ain't worried about
He's
it.
like, whatever. Definitely cool. I like how they did the gas door thing. That's fully finished. Looks good. Yep. I'm walking on the
Yeah,
outside.
so this is just like a factory style front bumper.
Why do you say that? It does look like it doesn't.
That's all it is. It's
Factory
fiberglass,
style?
but it's like a factory style.
Right. Dang, son. They put the they didn't put the rib nuts in there. That's what I'm talking about, man. I wouldn't pay 10 G's, just saying. I could buy a car. You know what I'm saying?
10 G's on the bike kit. Big ballin'.
This man.
Shit.
Okay.
Oh, look.
Oh, that's sick.
Cool. Well, we are an authorized garage active dealer.
Oh shoot.
Yes, sir.
What is this? The full like how to?
Because it comes carbon.
Dang, that's
The
sick.
whole car.
Wait, I can imagine what that cost. If this was 10, so
This is 30,000.
woo. Sexy beast right there.
So what we should do is get this like framed up.
Yeah, I can see it. That's cool. Look at that, man. I love that.
All right, so we are a garage active dealer, and they sent us these books, these brochures with all the parts we got for the full. We got basically this kit right here for Brad's Sema build. It's not the carbon though, it's FRP. So he wants black anyway, so no reason to get carbon fiber and paint it all black. So I mean, just look at this stuff. These things are beautiful.
That's the one I've been seeing online. I think I've seen this one too, though.
Yeah.
There must not be that many of these kits, though. Like,
No, there's not. Here's the R33 coming soon, but we have it here.
that's sick. That looks nuts. That looks nuts.
I mean, look down that line.
That looks nuts. That's all you, Chris.
I know it is.
Them wheels, like what? Yeah. Super hot.
Really cool, right?
It is really cool.
So we were just looking at this. We got some other parts here.
Like what?
Not just the full kit, okay? But we got some baller seat covers. And this, I'm guessing, I don't read Japanese fluently, but I'm guessing that that's the dash cover. So just some like really cool seat covers and stuff for R32. Here's floor mats.
I love their little signature. It looks really
looks
cool.
really cool. Brakes, big brakes.
That's legit.
Yeah. So just some like really cool stuff. Here's just a brochure just on the carbon.
Carbon kit.
I mean, look at that.
That's nuts. Yeah.
And I really like Garage Active wide body kit because it's not trying to take the R32 GTR, which is a beautiful car. I mean, look at it, right? And they're not trying to change it, really. They're just trying to enhance the natural beauty.
It's
of
not
the
too
car.
crazy, you know?
I mean, it's basically the same thing. It's just wider,
Yeah.
you know? So it's just really nice. I love these kits. As far as I know, this is going to be the first one in America. So
Nice. That's awesome.
they just look fantastic.
Even compared to a Pandem, like a Pandem is a little more aggressive. This is more
It
chill.
is, and that's what I'm saying. Like that changes the whole
Right,
look of the
right,
car.
right.
Where this, you look at it,
Like
and
look at the hip, the line
it's
there.
the same line.
Yeah.
It's it follows the same factory lines and everything,
Right.
which is
Really nice.
cool. I
Really
think.
nice, yeah.
And then we have some R35 goodies.
I haven't seen anything from this yet.
I mean, look at that wide body kit.
That thing is slammed. Holy crap. That's pretty cool. Never seen this design. It almost looks like it's not even. Is there even
Full wide body. Yeah.
It doesn't really look like from here. I need to see like a. Okay, well, I see it a little bit.
Yeah. I mean, look at how much more of this comes out right here. This front fender like this. I mean, it's basically again
It's more,
taking the natural lines of the car and widening it
Right.
without changing the look of it.
Yeah.
You know, so much.
Sure. That's crazy.
It's the way Nissan should have made it.
right. Yeah. Right.
But yeah, I mean,
That's pretty cool.
so anything you're looking for from Garage Active, contact us and we'll get it for you.